Do you struggle with keeping your little one's hair soft, strong, and moisturizing? Today, I am sharing an incredible hot oil treatment using powerful natural ingredients like clove, moringa, and hibiscus infusing oil. This powerful combination nourishing the scalp, preventing breaking, and promoting healthy hair growth. Stay tuned to see how I'll make it and how I'll apply it to my daughter. Let's start the video, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a powerful DIY hot oil treatment using clove, moringa, and hibiscus infusing oil for my little princess. This treatment deep nourishing the scalp, strengthening hair, and promoting healthy hair growth. If you are looking for a natural way to keep your little ones or you yourself to keep your hair soft, moisturizing, then don't go any place again. Watch this video to the end. So guys, as you guys can see, I bring one spray bottle here. I spray into my little girl inside her scalp, and now I'm massaging it. Before the hot oil treatment, I have to hydrate her head first. I have to let the head get ready, because everything, when you are going to do everything, at least you have to prepare for it, so that the head also will, I'll get aware that yes, now you are coming to take care of me. So first, what I'm doing now is I'm hydrating her hair. So when you also going to do, you have to make sure that you hydrate your hair first before you put your oil inside. Don't take the oil and just put inside like that. So you see how I'm doing. Never mind, maybe if you are going to say you don't have this spray bottle, I don't know how much, it's not cost anything. It's not cost anything. You can just gap it outside. So if you think that it is expensive for you to buy, then you can just put your hydrating, you can make the hydrating spray, keep it inside the bowl, use your finger, use your hand, and be fetching it, putting inside your hair. You can be doing it that way also to massage your scalp. So, or you can, there's another way or simple way also you can do. What you can do again, maybe when you get a water bottle, I'm sure water, you are drinking water, after you finish drinking your water, the bottle you don't throw away, you can just make your hydrating spray, pour it inside the bottle, make the hole on the lid, so that way you can be turn it and the thing will come in, and the hydrating will be coming from the lid. So now after I finish hydrating, so this is the hot oil. The hot oil, how did I make it? I'm sorry guys, for me to cut the video short, not to keep it long, that is why I did not show you guys that part. But how you can make your hot oil treatment, it's two types or three types that you can make it. You can make the hot oil treatment without even heating your oil, or you can warm the oil through from the micro oven, maybe 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, 15 to 20 seconds, you can warm it inside your micro oven and apply it for yourself. But if it is a child, maybe let's say 10 seconds even is okay. You can just warm it 10 seconds and bring it for your baby or your child. Don't let it burn the child. So after making it this way, or there's another way, you can make hot oil, you can make the water hot water and put the oil inside the bottle or anything that wherever that you keep your oil, you put it inside your bowl and place it under the hot water, so that the vapor will make the oil to get heat small, so that you remove it. But the best thing, I'm just saying, the microwave oil, you just do it without even heating it. Guys, you see what now I'm facing, you see what my daughter is doing. Sometimes, it's very difficult. Sometimes she will not mind me, she will just do like she has forgot that I'm doing something in her head. But sometimes also you see that she will start shaking the hair, because if she wants something and I do not accept to do what she wants, then she also will not allow me put my hand inside. So she was looking for some fruit, and I said no, I have to finish the hair before I will give her the fruit. And now she was started shaking her hair. Anyway, that's by the way. So what I'm doing, you can see how I do it. So first you hydrate the hair first, and the next thing that you are going to do, you take your hot oil. So the hot oil, you started from the scalp, massaging the scalp like the way when I was hydrating her hair. You can see that I was massaging her scalp because hair is growing through from the scalp. Okay, when your hair is going to grow, it will grow from the scalp, not from the hair. Hair is not growing, it's only growing from the roof. So that is why when you are going to do your hot oil treatment, you need to start from the under, or you also have to look for the places that you have more problem. Okay, because when I see my daughter back, she just have a hair like me. Her back, she have problem from the back hair is not long like a middle hair, because her front also hair is long. It's only that her edges, she have problem with the edges. So when I'm doing the hot oil treatment, you can see I'm massaging all the hair, but so most of the time I'm looking for a place that she having the problems, and that is the places that I'm massaging most. But all the same, you have to massage all the hair because you want her hair to grow. So it's not only one place, but I'm just telling you that the most problem part is to make sure that you focus on that side very well, like edges and the back, especially the children. The children, most of the children, that is where they are having problem. If not the back, then it's going to be the edges. So that's the places that you have to focus very well. So this is the way that I'm doing it, and this hot oil treatment is helping her head, and also it's helping me also because it's keeping your hair to keep it more moisturizing. It will keep your hair more moisturizing and make more easier to manage, and making your hair more soft. When you see my daughter hair or you touch her head, even me myself, if you touch my hair, you may think that I put relaxer in my head, but no, I'm not using relaxer into my head because almost 3 years to 4 years now, no, I'd say bye-bye to cream or relaxer. I say no. Me and relaxer, we say bye-bye to each other like almost 4 years now. So, and my daughter, I've never introduced that into my daughter, and I'm not planning even to introduce it to, or to let my daughter know what they call even relaxer. They can put something inside their hair and it's turning something else. That thing, I don't want my daughter, I don't want to use it for my daughter. So it depends. I'm not saying you shouldn't use it, and I'm not saying you shouldn't apply it to your daughter, but I'm just telling you from my point of my view, like I will not do it because I see what this thing they call cream or relaxer, what is it to me. So, and also like when you are making the hot oil treatment, doing the massage like this, not only the massage that you will do, because after making this massage, you have to do so many times. If your child is allow you, you have to do don't bother about the oil, okay? Because I know sometimes some people can be say, oh, the oil is too much. That is how it have to be. When they say hot oil treatment, it means the oil, you need the head or the scalp to take more oil, okay? So don't worry about it when you are doing yours and you see that the oil is coming, because if you are a mature person, definitely you know how you can control it. By a child, you have to be taking care of her or checking her all the time. Make sure that the oil did not go into her eyes or enter her eyes. So that is why I'm always doing and checking. So this thing is helping her head and also helping me for us to be managing it very easier, and is just good for me, because I thank God that sometimes she can making some things for me, some things that I don't know how I'm going to explain it, because if she wants something, if you don't give her, then you are in trouble. I cannot do it. But if I just allow her, give her what she wants, then you will see that she was saying she wants fruit. I didn't give her the fruit. I give her chips. Now she took the chips and eating and leave me alone for me to be massaging it. So that's it. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Well, after this hot oil treatment, I'm going to, yesterday I make pre-poo to hair. Before I open it, I make pre-poo. You can watch the video also in my channel. I make okra pre-poo. So after the pre-poo pre-wash. I did the hot oil treatment today, and tomorrow I'm going to make hair mask, okra hair mask. So all the video you can see it. And also I was thinking to put all the video into one place, but sometimes when you put it in one place again, like it's look like the video is getting more longer for people to just sit down and watch it, because I love to be doing my things step by step to show people how I started it and how it ends, so that in case someone also want to do, the person may know what she have to do. I don't want to jump anything and go. That is why you guys see that I'm separating the video and also doing it step by step, that I'm just showing you guys. So after everything, I put her shower cap on her, and also I put this net, so that that's in case if the oil is coming, you know, you see the front one, that tie, it will take there, it will absorb the oil inside her hair. So she will sit, like I'll allow her, if she accepts, she can sit to like 1 hour or more than 1 hour before I will take her and we go and bath. So because me myself, so I make some for myself and I do for her. So that's it. My sisters, my mothers, my daughters, please, if you watch it up to this point, can you do me a favor? Try to subscribe, like, and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Please follow us and see how we will grow princess hair. If you are not growing your hair, even you can follow us and see how long this 2025, how princess hair will go.